everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Sarah and I'm a fluid figurative artist. So I do figurative arts but using fluid techniques. I just got back from Japan, by the way, and one of the reasons why I actually went to Japan was because I was supposed to attend this Tokyo International Art Fair that did not take place at all. So let me talk to you more about it. For those who are new in this art industry, you definitely need to know who are in the game and who are not. So I've done a few art fairs, but this is the first time that I wanted to go to Tokyo because it's close to where I lived, and so I found this agency called Global Art Agency. And I thought that it was a good agency, but it's not, because well, they used to do good fairs, but something happened and in the end they did not update us artists, but they still kept accepting applicants for the fairs and they accepted all the artists' money too. So what happened was they kept postponing this event and the event did not take place in Tokyo. To cut a long story short, it's a scam company and I've moved on from it now, and since I bought my tickets and booked my accommodation in advance, so I had to go to Tokyo and that's why I went. So anyway, of all this, good news is I had a great trip in Tokyo. I get to meet my friend in Tokyo, I get to meet new friends in Tokyo, and I get to visit that beautiful city, so that's the plus size. Right, today I'll be actually doing a BTS themed pour, and if you're a BTS lover, BTS fan, this is for you. So what happened was I went to Tokyo and I took Jeju Airlines, and they gave me this boarding pass with the BTS on it. So the girl next to me was taking photos of it, so I thought, hey, I might as well let you guys see how this airline or boarding pass looks like. And this is so cool, isn't it? I bet every BTS fan lover would definitely keep this as a souvenir. Also, I got a cup of water. Jeju Air gave me a cup of water, and the girl next to me was also taking photos of it. So I was thinking, why? And the next thing I know is, ta-da! Can you see? It's a BTS Festa. So there is this logo as well. So if you're a BTS fan and you want to get a souvenir from Korea, you can always book with Jeju Airlines. I'm not getting paid for this, and I think I should, right? Kids aside. So today will be a BTS themed pour, and let's get pouring. Okay, I hope I don't dirty my beautiful clothing that I wore today, because I'm running out of clean clothes to wear outside. All of my clothes are full of paint. Now this pour is pretty special because to be honest, I'm a BTS fan too. It's kind of shocking because for my age in Korea, I'm called an ajuma, and an ajuma is an old lady. I should know. Ajuma basically means you're a married woman, and yeah, BTS is more for, like, you know, teenagers. But a lot of nowadays, a lot of ajumas like me love BTS. We're in love with all the members, so this pour is for BTS lovers and the armies, and as well as to all my BTS members. Jungkook and Jimin is actually from Busan, and they live quite close to where I live right now. What else? RM, V, J-Hope, Jin is in the militaries right now, and Suga. So yeah, I love all these members. They're very talented, so I want to dedicate this to them. If you know who BTS are and you would like to tell me your favorite member, please do so at the comment section. I'd love to hear from you and to know which member you like the most. Or if you love all of them like me, you can always say that as well. I find RM very smart. He's a really smart guy. RM is a group leader. And I find Jungkook and V cute, so but Suga raps really well. Jin is also very handsome. J-Hope's also really charming. They are just all charming boys, aren't they? Purple is my favorite color too. I've always loved purple because it is not blue, it is not red, it's not yellow nor green. It's a mix between blue and red, and to me red is like a woman's color and blue is more of a man's color. You may call me traditional, but that's the way I think. And so I like purple because it's neither blue nor red. It's in between. Alright, I have to scrape everything off because I cannot talk and pour at the same time. Like it's either I do one or the other. So that pour was ruined. I didn't like it, so I scrape it off and I'm gonna start a new one again. So if you're a BTS fan, you definitely know BTS logo, and this is BTS logo is two trapezoid put together like a window. So I'm going to use this logo and to form a beautiful pour. So this is like the window of love, window of opportunity and blessings, window of sunshine. So that is why I put white colors with hints of pearl white and pearl purple by Amsterdam. So when they dry, you know, the window is going to be shiny. And then I'm going to put flowers spreading out from the windows. So let's see how this turned out to be. Now because this is a chain pull technique, so my paints will have to be less runnier than usual. And also that I do parts by parts because the first time, as you can see before that, when I did it, I put too much paint, so the paints were running everywhere, and yeah, the shapes are just not holding at all. So this time I'll have to do bit by bit, and I'll stop talking because I cannot talk and paint and pour at the same time. So so enjoy this piece. If you're new here, please don't forget to help me subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get new updates from me every time I upload my new video. Thank you all for tuning in, and see you guys in a bit.
And voila! This is the end result. Hope you guys love it. I hope this you can feel the spirit of giving and love coming out from the windows of BTS logo. So just look at this. It's gonna dry beautifully with metallic shines here and there. I love purple. I hope you guys love this piece. Take care all, be kind to one another, and let's spread the love of BTS. Take care all, bye.